Guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can delete your Amazon purchase, your order history, and we're going to talk about as well if that is possible. So first is you just have to open any of your web browser, or you can also, use the application on your mobile device. After that, you just have to log into your account. Now, right here, you just have to go to your return and order section. Okay, so right here, you just have to select the orders that you want to delete. But unfortunately, as of the moment, Amazon does not allow that kind of action. So you can only hide your purchase history, or if you really want to get rid of the order history here in Amazon, the last choice that you have is to close your current Amazon account and you have to create a new one. So to close your Amazon account, just tap on this account and list option. And then you just have to scroll down all the way here and look for the close your Amazon account option. So when you tapped on it, you'd be able to see this notes. You just have to read this carefully. Okay. So as you can see, if you're going to approve this action, it will permanently close your Amazon account and delete your data. So it includes your order history here on Amazon. So you just have to scroll down all the way here after reading all of that. So you just have to tap on this box and tap on the close my account option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped yourself concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.